Why does your scanner show the P1000 engine code? What does it mean? P1000 is a diagnostic trouble code for onboard diagnostic system readiness test not complete. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's engine control module has not yet completed the necessary drive cycles to fully test the emission system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Recent battery disconnect, short driving distances, faulty PCM, pending trouble codes, faulty OBD sensors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which indicates an incomplete emissions system diagnostic check. It is most commonly found in Ford, Jaguar, and Mazda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.